Brighten your home with expert window installation from M&M. At M&M, we specialize in high-quality window installation that enhances your home's comfort and curb appeal. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading to modern designs, our team provides a seamless experience from consultation to completion. We begin with a personalized assessment to help you select the perfect window style, size, and material to match your home's aesthetic and performance needs. On installation day, our skilled professionals handle everything such as removing old windows, preparing the frames, and installing your new windows with precision. We seal and insulate each one to ensure a perfect fit. With licensed installers, premium products, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction, M&M makes window replacement easy and worry-free. Trust M&M Home Remodeling services to open up your space with beautiful, expertly installed windows where quality meets peace of mind.